Okay, we are live. Okay, so we actually are into McDonald's asking for a job, as you can see here. So I'm loving it. I don't know, to be honest, but yeah, we are here. We are on this high time frame, low trend line, descending trend line. What the fuck is start here? Okay, it's a big one, guys. If we break above this, and not with just a sweep like this, but just like up here and then up again, we can really see like Bitcoin at 50K. Totally shit. So, um, so now let's see if we can get filled. Yeah, McDonald's application. Let's see if we can get filled on our Bitcoin long, guys. To be honest, we got so many conferences on this one. So what do we have here? We have 75 level from this low to this high here. We got high volume node. Okay, so as you can see, we have our range volume profile. Okay, this is a sort of P shape, but to be honest, not like a perfect P shape. Okay, some the perfect P shape would be something like this, you know. Okay, but we have this great demand zone. Let me also see if we have an order block here. Oh wait, I need to activate that. Let me check. So the indicator tell me down here, but it's normal. Let's go on lower time frame if we have something. Okay, we have a couple of 15 minutes order blocks. Then what also do we have? The sweep of Monday low. So we have uh, 1, 2, 3, 4 conferences, guys. So if this doesn't work, we are really like going to this level here, to 75 level, because if we go on higher time frame, you can see what I'm talking about. That is this level here. Okay, this one, and would be a total shit, to be honest, but at the same time would be an opportunity to buy more Bitcoin on spot. As you can see, we're not playing too much leverage in last days. It's pretty difficult to play with leverage in the last days. Rose, to be honest, I didn't expect a flush like this, but we had a huge absorption after sweep of the Monday high on Bitcoin, and I wanted to call a short. I didn't have with stop loss at 900 90,000, sorry, and 500. I didn't have the nuts to call it and to play it, but would have been like a 10-hour trade. And when this happens, when I'm like, okay, I'm gonna play this or not, I don't know, and then it makes a 10-hour trade, I fucking like, you know, it's stressful, but it's the trader work also, this one, without any kind of emotions, and so just be patient for new opportunities. So again, this trader could then get to this value area high, okay, because ideally we have this whip here, we gain back the value area low, okay, that is this white line, then we can continue up here through this to this resistance and this value area high. Okay, so in this case would be 7-hour trade. Yeah, 7-hour trade. If you want, as I told you, we got an entry here, and I got another one here at 84 and 2. Okay, so our entry price would be like this, and as you can see, the entry price would be something like this, and from 7R we go to 9R. Okay, that's why how we optimize entries on the positions. So now we still don't have too much buy wall liquidity down here, so we will check later on. And this setup, okay, I'm looking here on trading light with the volume profile, would be a sweep of the value area low. This is today, yesterday, the day after, before yesterday, so would be a sweep of the value area low here. Yeah, here. This one. No, what the fuck I'm saying? This one, sorry, yeah. Okay, yeah, sorry, this one, my bad. That is the Monday low. Okay, so we also have the value area low here on Monday low. Would be a sweep of it. Then we reclaim and we go up. I hope to. Okay. And this is the plan on Bitcoin. Then we can go back on Ethereum. We are on spot from this level, exactly here. Okay, we have this demand here. Let me see if we have some kind of scalp opportunities. Oh my gosh, so okay, we went through this cluster of POCs here, as you can see. The next POC is here, and it's a Coinbase USD POC. Let's see if we can have an entry on this POC, looking also at this OB here, and for scalp, I mean, okay, because otherwise we would lose our range. Golden pocket. So we would have this one here at 35 to be precise here. Then we would have stop loss down here like 3% and up here. Okay, so we are getting to this POC. We are in overbought for like an year. Okay, so we would like to have a bit of more downside on the RSI, reclaim, then the PA as always does this kind of movement to the downside, up, a sweep in this one. Also we could have a sweep of this low here, so we can put the stop loss down here. Okay, we would have one entry here, maybe one entry here, and the RSI as always does this thing here. Okay, creating our divergence. What the fuck I clicked? Okay, so this would be the plan for Ethereum, at least for now, until we have another clear direction. Okay, so we stick to the plan for now. What also do we have interesting here? We have it's all discounted. We call it with Moro this Sol. Okay, didn't play it officially, but it was a damn good trade, to be honest. Unfortunately, I didn't expect a sort of rejection like these guys. Okay, we had a swing failure pattern on Bitcoin for the Monday high, but damn guys, we dropped it so much, even losing the value area low of today and yesterday, and we went through the POC that was already tapped. Okay, but from Monday, that was huge, and yeah, so never mind. We weren't so much exposed. We were only on Rose. That, to be honest, it's still one of the biggest potential move on the market. Okay, it was damn good. Okay, and let's see if this breakout finally happens. Would be great, to be honest. Let's just take like, we want to reclaim first, otherwise we don't play it. Okay, so then what do we have interesting here? Let's go on total 2. Okay, as always, I don't know what's this trend line. Okay, so this is potentially the level we would like to have now. So this could be the entry for Bitcoin. Okay. And to be honest, I would like to have a first reaction here without taking out this low here, because would mean that Bitcoin goes even lower, like at 80K sort of. Okay, it's total 2, but it's the same, guys, here. Okay, in this case, what do we have? Would we have? It's like a retest of the 75. It's not my favorite setup, to be honest, but sometimes it happens that we bounce, we retest, and we go up. Okay, it's not so powerful as the first bounce, but if it holds, we can go like up here. Okay, and then as you can see, at that time we could have these. Wait, change me. Why doesn't it change? Wait, let me reload the page. Sometimes it doesn't work. Where were we? Okay, here. Let's go back here. Okay, so I was saying, if we go on this, okay, there we go. So, as you can see, in this case, we have a double golden pocket reversa. Okay, what does it mean? We have this expansion, this retrace, okay, and we can aim to this level here. It's the 75 level, like a mirror one, okay, and the 0.786 level, okay, it's a mirror one. So we could have this kind of setup here on total. Okay. Then something other interesting. Let's see. We had some. Okay. Some alerts. Let's see what do we have here. Remove. Okay. So here, let's go. What do we have? Is this alert active? Yeah. Let's start from here to this. Okay, as you can see also from this template, but it's the same. We have this zone here, very interesting for Fatcoin. Boom, like this. It's way 11%. What the fuck? Let's do like 4%, and then we can target. These are here. Okay, and we have a potential setup on Fatcoin. Okay, we would like to have a little bleed down here and touch our POCs. Then we move on. I had maybe I said, yeah, for example, this one, as you can see, guys, this is the area of interest I was talking about before. We would have this one here. Okay, in this case, the area would be 4%, and you have two choices. Okay, you can make a smaller one, it's riskier, and split in two, like this. Okay, or play only one with a wider area. That is 4.8%. It's good, but if you split, you have better risk reward ratio. Okay. Hi VNM. So, okay. So even here, we could have 38. It's good. In this case, we would have this kind of setup and this one. So let's take an alert. I will update you on everything. I'm just trying to explain you how to think in front of the charts. Okay. And what do we have interesting? IPE, we don't have any POC here until 20 level, so we don't play IPE now. And what else? Pengu. I hope Pengu was stronger than this, but it's like dying off. Okay. I also heard like Luca Nets and all the team at Padiki Penguins collaborated with a new brand like Plushes, but I don't know, they are doing a great marketing, to be honest, being an NFT project, but now the token isn't following at all this this great activity from the team. But nothing more interesting, to be honest, at the moment, guys. We can take a look at S&P 500. I got some levels here. We took out that low that create this expansion. Now we are consolidating above, below this level. So we could have at least a downtrend till this level here. Okay. Okay, here. And yeah, this is the situation. As you can see, we took this high, boom, down. Before here, we took this high, boom, a bit down. Okay. Down here, we had this low, boom, reclaim, up. That's why sometimes it's better to play with S&P 500 and Bitcoin and Ethereum, to be honest. Pippin short, Pippin. I heard that Pippin was pumping so much in the last days. Pippin. How the fuck this shit work? No, I don't play this. I didn't play this. No worries. I didn't play this. I would have loved to be honest. Pippin short. I don't know. It's way volatile. Way volatile. And we are... Let me just clear it up so we can analyze in another way. Okay, so... Okay, look, we have these two big candles here. This one and this one. With these wicks. They didn't close below this low here. Okay, so if you wanna short it, wait, lose. No, sorry, because now our low is this one. Okay, so if you wanna short, go down here, retest, and then down. TP1 and TP2 here. Okay, but as now I wouldn't touch these kind of coins, guys. This can literally pump out of nowhere without any reason. Why did it pump here? What happened here? Liquidity injection, boom, die off. Then reclaim, manipulation to the downside, up again for this run. A little bit of consolidation, another run. But what really happened that why? Because this coin pumped like, how much is it? 100%, I think. What the fuck, 2000%. I don't know. It's way volatile. And a bit risky. Also, it's risky that also to play Bitcoin, let's imagine with Pippin. Then what do we have? Let's take a look at Nasdaq. It's been a while. Okay, we took out this eye here. We got an absorption here. Let's go on this lower time frame. What do we have here? Okay. POC up here. The absorption. Look at this. Okay. For example, here, these buyers, okay, tried to push the price up, but even with all this positive delta, the buyers wasn't able to push the price up here. Okay, so in this case, this is a classic scenario of absorption, and we didn't even maybe took out the high here. I think, yeah, the high here it's 25.8332 and 83.1. Yeah, we didn't took out this high here, absorption. We came back in the range. This would have been a great short idea on Nasdaq, like this, boom. Okay, TP1 on the first blue line, TP2 down here, 5-bar trade on Nasdaq. I definitely should start to play with Nasdaq and S&P, guys. Let's see in 2026 maybe. I don't know now. a bit busy to start and think about Nasdaq and S&P 500. So then what do we have also here interesting? Yeah, maybe our old friends BNB, bed and breakfast. No, that's BNB. BNB, Binance Coin. Yeah, approaching good level again. Let's set an alert. We are aligning for some longs, guys, but I would be cautious now. I would be cautious. We are not ready on 30 minutes. Just take this like an idea to play with if it gives us. Okay, this is our area of interest. Yo. So this would be it. Template. Okay. I forgot to save the template. Gonna make it again. Okay. So let me just send a text to my girlfriend. Okay. Because she's coming. What else? Guys, let me know if you have any question. No, Bitcoin's pumping. What do we have here? Great buy. It's pumping, but not so good. So Bitcoin is pumping, but I'm not seeing so many aggression from the buyers at the moment. Let me see if I can share you the other screen. Okay, can you see it? Yes, you can. Okay, so we are on 15-minute time frame, guys. Let's zoom out so you understand where we are. Okay, so we are now pumping. Okay, we didn't took out this low here. We didn't took out this low. Am I correct? Yes. But at the same time, we don't have these great aggression from the buyers. Okay, as you can see, we just have this big delta here that is the POC of this candle, and we are pumping now. But I'm sure that we could then consolidate below. What is the box here? We could consolidate below this box here. Okay, you can see how the sellers are trying to push now down the price, and now ideally with this kind of scenario the plan would be to go down here, reject, reclaim, and then up. Let's go also down on lower time frame. Yes, I would say yeah. Oh shit, I would say yes. Yeah, if we start to close a red candle with red delta absorption, as you can see, there's not so much aggression here on the peak of this candle. We could start to have a reversal, and let's see if this plays out. Otherwise we could have a reclaim and leave us behind. But this is on 5-minute time frame, guys, so it is what it is. For now we wait. Okay, so 9 people here. Anyone has a question, guys? Chart request, or I don't know, anything you want? No one? If you want to see something else, or let me know. for real. Wait, guys. I'm stupid. Let me bring here. Okay, sorry, because the recording was going on the other screen. So just to repeat for the recording. So here we have this level. Okay, we don't have so much aggression from the buyers to push up the price. So for now, we can expect a reversal on this low time frame scenario and let us to play out the long we have down here with a reclaim and then up. Okay, taking out also this low here and maybe this low here. No, maybe 100% this low, otherwise we don't get fill. Okay. Okay, guys, so what do you think will happen with the JAP rates? Oh, I'm not the best one for macro news, to be honest, but they can also impact a bit the markets. But as you can see, guys, the London session has zero value at the moment for crypto. As you can see, London session is so quiet. Asians don't move the price so much in the night, like like the last month. Every night was a drop from the Japan. I don't know if it was for the tariffs war, where the Americans tried to push up the price during the day, and then the Asians were trying to push down the price in the night. I don't know, but at the moment, London and Asian session, as you can see, are quite relaxed. And then every time American session, New York session, sorry, it's crazy for the up and down. It's very volatile. You don't understand so much where the price is going. So it's very, very difficult to trade in these conditions, to be honest. But yeah, for now we just wait for this to play out. We have four, five conferences, sorry, and we wait for this one. Otherwise, we will look for something else. Okay, we have some alerts set for Farcoin, maybe Ordi ahead. Ordi, okay, Ordi is live, yeah. What else we had? CHZ, BNB, Webfi now, SMPX, down here, it would be here, okay. And nothing else, to be honest, at the moment. Chill Guy. Let's take a look at Chill Guy. It's been a while. I'm not playing with it. Yeah, guys. So I've been front run here on Chill Guy, like on 28th of November. Fuck you. Fuck you, Chill Guy. Let's remove everything and let's take a quick look at this. So as you can see, we have our range. Boom, down here it's a pretty small area. It's a tight one. 0.5 here. Here would be the area. And this would be the setup. Okay, we would also have this demand zone here, this low here, and another low here. So it would be a 3 tap, okay, with this support here. So this could also play out. Okay, we are aligning for some good longs. We just need to have the stars aligned correctly to play with these levels. So let's wait a bit for the moment. Okay. Okay, guys, exactly 30 minutes. I don't think you have any question because you didn't type anything in the chat. And yeah, let's wait for now for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is starting to reject from the green area I showed you on Trading Live, and let's wait for our limit to get filled. All right, guys, as always, if you have any question, just tag me in the chat. Happy to reply you, as always. Even for the most simple question, Remember that any of the question is stupid. All the questions are intelligent, smart. I don't know how you wanna say. Forza BTC. Forza Inter, guys. Forza Inter. What is the setup? Juanes, you can look at in my corner. Puedes mirarlo en mi corner. Juanes, español. Ok. Creo que mami muoverlo. Guarda, silenzio. Okay. Cheers, guys. Thank you so much. Let me stop the